Struggling to add a footer page to your Namecheap site? Follow these exact clicks to get it done in under a minute. So here's the thing. You've got your Namecheap website looking good, but you need to add that extra page in the footer. Maybe it's a privacy policy. Maybe it's a terms of service page. Or maybe it's just a quick link you want your visitors to find easily. And you're clicking around the editor thinking, where is that option? I've been there. It's one of those things that feels like it should be obvious, but it's just not. Here's the plan. First, we're going to open your site in the Namecheap editor. Then we'll click through the footer settings to add your new page link. Simple stuff. All right, let's jump right in. Start by navigating to your site in the Namecheap editor. You want to go to your Namecheap dashboard and find the Website Builder area. Click on Edit or Create Your Websites, and that will pull up your project. This is the main screen where you see your entire site laid out in front of you. If you have multiple sites, just make sure you're opening the one you want to work on. Once the editor loads up, you're going to see your full website preview. Now, I want you to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. That's where the footer lives. And right there on your screen, you'll see a section labeled Footer. It might look like a gray bar or a block at the bottom with some links already in it. Go ahead and click directly on that footer section. This is your gateway to editing everything down there. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you click on the footer, a settings panel should open up on the left side of your screen. It's going to show you all the links that are currently in your footer. And right there, you'll see an option that says Add Another Link. Click on that. This is the button that lets you insert a brand new page into that bottom section of your site. It's pretty straightforward. After you click Add Another Link, you'll be taken to a place where you can choose which page you want to add. You might see a list of your existing pages, or you might be able to type in a custom link. Pick the page you need. Once you've done that, you'll want to navigate back to the main footer settings. Look for a back button. It's usually at the top of that left panel or in the corner. Click on it. This just takes you one level up so you can see all your footer options again. Finally, you're going to see a button that says Continue. It's probably a big blue button or a prominent button at the top of the screen. Click on that. This will save all the changes you just made. Namecheap might take a second to process that, but once it's done, your new page link will appear in the footer of your live site. And that's it. From confused about how to add a footer page to confidently managing your footer links in Namecheap, you've got this. If this helped, I'll catch you in the next one.